So today we're gonna do a replacement on the clutch and pressure plate for our tractor. We have our Ford 1715 front end loader tractor. You can see the truck is down there. We did a timing chain and oil pump. Yeah, we're all done with that. That's all we're gonna say about that, right, Bruce? Right. So here we are at the tractor. I guess I ought to hook up some lights, yeah?
Right.
Okay, so we'll do a little walk around here and show you that we're going to split the tractor right here and take it apart. We're going to roll this part back and put a new clutch and pressure plate. Here's the clutch, pressure plate, throw out bearing, and we'll leave it right there with that. Okay, so we about 2 hours, and we just connected the front bucket, and we took the tank out. We emptied the crankcase, emptied the fuel tank, disconnected all the electrical. We have a few more hydraulic lines to remove right here and down here, and we should be splitting the tractor tomorrow. Go around over here and have a look. Probably can't see too good. We have to block everything up so that we can slide. This part of the tractor will slide backwards. We'll put it up on hydraulic and a set of wheels. And we'll be replacing the clutch tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, so we have the tractor all separated and the clutch out. Take you out here and show you what the clutch looks like that we pulled out. See a split in Bill! Hello. Split in half tractor. Here's what our tractor looks like. We'll get her all cleaned up, ready to put back together. All in all, considered, looks pretty good. I don't have that little bearing in the middle there. Have a look at the old clutch and pressure plate. Here's the clutch. Don't look too shabby. It's a little worn out. You think this is original or you think this is an aftermarket? There's the pressure plate. Okay, so here it is, taken apart. Take some 90 grit sandpaper to that or something. And we'll start putting her back together. And we'll see you when we're ready to put her together and drive her out of here. So, time lapse from this morning to this afternoon. The tractor is back together in 2 pieces to 1. Bruce is hard at it, putting it all back together. But you can see it's all married up. I shouldn't know whether we're going to test drive it today, but I should think we'll be pretty damn close.
Maybe.
Bruce says maybe. So that's a maybe. I know we're tired of greasy hands, right? We do have to put the bucket back on it yet, but where you dogs at? Dogs? Dogs? There they are. There's one muddy dog. Where's the other muddy dog? Shadow? Where's Shadow, Bill? Shadow! So we got a little bit more grading to do, but the clutch was a major issue. We're going to pull the pan on the truck and clean the screen. They'll be moving the modulars out tomorrow. Be running some video on that. Get that video ready. Start rounding up and finishing up. Quick update on the tractor. As you can see, we got it all back together and have it out here working every day. Thanks for watching. This is our clutch and pressure plate throwout bearing change on a 1715 tractor. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you out there at Tiki West.